Hi everyone. This is your host speaker for this video. I am Irma for the Rhythm of Life. Looking for the best car that fits your budget? Whether you're a first-time car buyer or simply upgrading your ride, got you covered. In this video, we're counting down the 5 best cars you can buy in the Philippines for under 300,000 pesos. These cars are perfect for city driving, reliable, easy to maintain, and offer great value for money. From fuel-efficient sedans to compact hatchbacks, there's something for everyone. Ready to find your next ride? Let's dive in. Top 5 cars under 300,000 pesos in the Philippines. Let me start with the ever-popular Toyota Vios, a compact sedan known for its dependability and practicality. Followed by the Honda City, a compact sedan with a bit more space. The Mitsubishi Mirage is perfect for city driving, and the stylish Hyundai Accent is fuel-efficient and stylish. As a final touch, the Suzuki Celerio, an affordable hatchback that packs a lot of punch for its size. Let's take a look at them one by one. First, the Toyota Vios. Year model, 2007 to 2015 second generation, and 2013 to 2018 third generation. It's a compact sedan known for its reliable and practical design. Price ranges from 250,000 to 300,000 pesos for pre-owned units. A specification. Engine options. 1.3-liter 4-cylinder, with 84 horsepower and 121 Nm torque. And 1.5-liter 4-cylinder with 107 horsepower and 141 Nm torque. Transmission. 5-speed manual or 4-speed automatic. Fuel efficiency, 10 to 12 km per liter on city drive while 16 to 18 km per liter on highway. Key features. Vios has front-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags in higher trims, decent cargo space for a subcompact sedan. Why choose? Reliable, easy to maintain, and fuel-efficient. The Toyota Vios is widely available and spare parts are easy to find, making it a top choice for budget-conscious buyers. Next we go to my second best second-hand unit, the Honda City 4th generation. The Honda City 2008 to 2012 4th generation sedan offers more interior space and comfort. For the price of 200,000 pesos to 300,000 for a pre-owned unit. A specification. Engine options, 1.3-liter, 4-cylinder, with 98 horsepower and 127 Nm torque, and the 1.5-liter 4-cylinder with 120 horsepower and 145 Nm torque. Transmission, 5-speed manual or 5-speed automatic. Fuel efficiency, 10 to 12 km per liter on city drive, while 16 to 20 km per liter on highway. Key features. Front-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, spacious interior for a subcompact sedan. Why choose Honda City? Honda City is known for its comfortable ride, spacious interior, and solid build quality. It's also highly fuel efficient, making it a great option for both city driving and long trips. And now let's check the third on my list. The Mitsubishi Mirage. The Mitsubishi Mirage Hatchback, 2013 to 2015 first generation. The Mirage is a subcompact hatchback. Perfect for city driving. Price ranges from 250,000 pesos to 300,000 pesos pre-owned units. A specification. Engine options, 1.2-liter 3-cylinder with 77 horsepower and 100 Nm torque. Transmission, 5-speed manual or CVT. Fuel efficiency, 14 to 17 km per liter on city drive while 18 to 22 km per liter on highway. Key features. Front-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, touchscreen infotainment system, higher trims. Why choose? The Mitsubishi Mirage is a very practical and fuel-efficient hatchback, especially for city driving. Its compact size makes it ideal for navigating tight streets and parking spaces in urban areas. Moving on with my fourth on the list is the Hyundai Accent, 2010 to 2014. The Hyundai Accent 2010 to 2014 fourth generation. The model years mentioned are mostly sedans, though the Hyundai Accent also has a hatchback variant. Price ranges from 200,000 pesos to 300,000 pesos for a pre-owned unit. A specification. Engine options. Gasoline variant, 1.4-liter 4-cylinder, Gamma G4FA with 108 horsepower and 135 Nm torque. Or 1.6-liter 4-cylinder, Gamma G4FC with 121 horsepower and 156 Nm torque. And diesel variant, with 1.5-liter engine CRD, 109 horsepower and 235 Nm torque. Transmission. For gasoline engine, it has 5-speed manual or 4-speed automatic, while for the diesel variant 6-speed manual or automatic. Fuel efficiency. For gasoline, 10 to 12 km per liter on city drive, 16 to 18 km per liter on highway. For diesel, 12 to 14 km per liter on city drive while 18 to 22 km per liter on highway. Key features. Front-wheel drive. Anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, higher trims. Why choose? The Hyundai Accent is available in both gasoline and diesel variants, offering flexibility for fuel preferences. The diesel variant is particularly fuel-efficient, making it a great option for those who do a lot of long-distance driving and relatively good performance. It's a solid choice for those looking for a good balance between affordability and features. And my fifth on the list is Suzuki Celerio. What model and year? Let's find out. The Suzuki Celerio 2014 to 2016 second generation is another subcompact hatchback. Very popular for urban driving due to its small size and excellent fuel economy. Price ranges from 250,000 to 300,000 pesos for a pre-owned unit. A specification. Engine options, 1.0-liter capacity with 3-cylinder and 67 horsepower, 90 Nm torque. Transmission, 5-speed manual or CVT. Fuel efficiency, 15 to 17 km per liter on city drive, while 18 to 22 km per liter on highway. Key features. Front-wheel drive. Anti-lock braking system. Dual airbags. Small footprint but decent interior space. Why choose? The Suzuki Celerio is a perfect city driving car. Thanks to its compact size and excellent fuel economy, the Suzuki Celerio is easy to maintain and offers great value for money. It's affordable to maintain, and its interior space is surprisingly generous for its class. Here are some general recommendations from users. 1. Fuel efficiency. All these models offer good fuel efficiency, with the Mitsubishi Mirage and Suzuki Celerio being the best in terms of city driving. 2. Maintenance costs. Toyota and Honda vehicles tend to have the most readily available and affordable spare parts, making them the easiest to maintain. 3. Space. If you're looking for a bit more interior room, the Honda City and Toyota Vios offer more comfort and space, especially for family use. Here are more important tips when buying secondhand units. Check the car's condition. Always inspect secondhand cars thoroughly, especially in terms of engine, suspension, and body condition. Mileage. Cars with lower mileage usually have less wear and tear. History. Make sure the car has a clean history, no accidents or flood damage. So, if you're specifically looking for sedans, the Toyota Vios, Honda City, and Hyundai Accent sedan variant are your best choices. The Mitsubishi Mirage and Suzuki Celerio are hatchbacks. These cars should give you a good range of choices depending on your needs, whether it's fuel efficiency, space, or ease of maintenance. With 300,000 pesos, you're in a good position to buy a reliable pre-owned vehicle. I hope this helps with your search in buying a pre-owned car. Now, are you ready to buy one? If you enjoyed watching, I'd really appreciate it if you could give it a like, comment, subscribe, or share my video as a way of showing your support and gratitude. It means a lot and it helps me continue sharing more with you. Thank you so much. Goodbye, amigo.